Made please, Your Lordship. Lordship, item 43 of supply list, motion matter, Lordship. I may be allowed to withdraw this matter with liberty to file afresh, Lordship. Some defects are there. Motion matter, Lordship. Forty-three, Lordship. Obliged, Lordship.
I'm for 3 to 7 lots.
I am praying for listing, my lord, moving this petition today itself, my lord, because my lord, the impugnator was passed day before yesterday, my lord. My lord, the private respondent has been appointed as Gambura despite there is a direction of the honorable court, my lord, to
Bench 3 matter naki?
Bench 3 হবে এটা
Bench 3
আপনি কোড নাম্বার 10 যাও বেঞ্চ 3
One man.
কোড নাম্বার 10 কোড নাম্বার made please your lordship in respect of item 28 lordship arbitration petition lordship I have received the sign affidavit lordship I will file it after 2 weeks lordship my friend is there.
Yes, Lord. I only pray for a date.
Lordship obliged.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, in item number 5, we have filed an affidavit in opposition that may kindly be called for. 5. Lordship.
Lordship, for listing of a matter, your lordship, very urgent, your lordship, since eviction notice has been served, your lordship, fixing the date on 15th, your lordship. Can it be, today I'm filing your lordship, about to get the filing number, your lordship. So your lordship, can it be? Your lordship. Can Friday, your lordship. Your lordship. I'll give this, your lordship, Friday. Maybe.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, with the consent of the other side, I'd like to mention item number 29, your lordship. Lordship, here we have filed the affidavit just yesterday, your lordship. Your lordship may kindly allow the matter to come up along with our affidavit.
And that may be fixed matter.
Okay, yesterday, lordship. we filed the-
Yes, ma'am.
Obliged, lordship.
May I please, your lordship, my lord? My lord, I have prior in item 35, my lord. Today I have some personal difficulties, my lord. Can it be listed just after vacation, my lord? Behave very soon. My lord, I'm deeply aware.
Those items 22 and 23 of today's list, my lord. I pray for some time to file rejoinder. I've already taken the consent of the other side. I'm for the petitioner. 23. Three weeks. But there is an interim order that may be.
My lord, item number 3, my lord, kindly adjourn this matter for today. My senior is not well, my. AS only. Yes.
May I please, my lord? Lord, this is a repetition motion matter, my lord. May it be listed on Friday. We filed it yesterday, my lord. Actually, matter pertains to mutation, and there is a civil court order, there is an order of DC, but their circular officer is not giving effect to that mutation. Obliged, my lord.
Lordship, I'd like to mention item 24, Lordship. I had mentioned it for withdrawal, but it has come for orders, Lordship. Here we want to urge some additional grounds, Lordship. So on that count, Lordship may kindly allow me to withdraw with liberty to file afresh. I've taken consent from the respondent.
Much obliged. May I please proceed? I'd like to mention two nongs repetition, two nongs repetition for listing. Listing. Sorry? Yes. Yes, boss. Kindly short term. 19. After the.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 46, lordship, in a supplementary list. Want to withdraw this matter, lordship? Yes, lordship. Datta, lordship. Much obliged.
Your lordship may kindly peruse the last order. As per the last order, 16/12/25. And they had confined their grievance to the disposal of their appeal. My instruction is that the appeal has already been considered and the decision has been taken. It is just that it is yet to be communicated to the petitioner. Your lordship may have it immediately on reopening on 21st month. Other side, M Hazard, Mrs. M. Yeah. No, this is the instruction we have just received.
Also in connection with the construction of the road over the Patal the petitioner. In fact, on the last occasion, the learned friend was asked to put instructions. And there was a status quo order with regard to a lot of possession matter.
That number is petitioner's land, lordship, but it is used as a road for long time. It is under the PWD, lordship. Then
I'll take instance after vacation.
I'm for 2 and 6, 4 and 6.
I'm for.
May it please your lordship, I will, senior is coming. Kindly pass over for time being.
Your lordship, I'd like to seek a passover for item number 678. The arguing counsel is coming from Mumbai, your lordship. His flight got delayed. He's on the way. Yes. Yes, we did ask for a VC, but he today in the morning he came by flight. He wanted to present physically before the court. All right, much obliged.
And I had the word directly with Mrs. Hazarika. So she has agreed to the matter being fixed on 21st. In the meantime, the necessary instructions will also come.
T Das, my lord.
Our instruction is that decision has already been taken. Appeal.
Lordship, Lordship.
Dr. B.N. Gogoi.
As the petitioners are and the registered society, my lord, witnessed by their officers, office bearers. The term of the subdivisional development board is over, my lord. And the new board has not been constituted yet. So at this stage, my lord, notice.
Oh.
My lord, and grievance, my lord, last occasion, my lord, they have constituted the board, my lord, outside the, my lord, this page number 66 and 65, my lord, 65. This committee has completed their term. That was put to challenge in the earlier round of litigation. That is completed their term. Now the new committee has not been constituted. Board has not been board. We are the scheduled tribes of Kachar district belonging to Bormon community. Earlier committee, yes. Then my lord, this committee has completed their term. As this my lordship will find that it is page number 70 onwards. Earlier round of litigation was there. Yes, because the term is completed, my lord, and we put to challenge their notifications because they are not belonging to ST communities as per the schedule, my lord. And as the term completed, the case become infructuous and it is closed with the liberty, my lord. Now our grievance is, my lord, new committee may be constituted, my lord. They have not done it.
My lord, I would say this matter is premature. Why, my lord? My lord will come to page number 21. My lord will just examine their prayer. What is their prayer, my lord? They have no case. This is just a premature thing, my lord. Page 21. My lord, I'm just reading below. Directing the state respondents to constitute a subdivisional welfare board for scheduled tribe in respect of Silchar and Lakhimpur subdivision in the district of Kachar. My lord, these are all doctrine of pleasure issues, my lord. Now, whether, my lord, government, it's a policy decision of the government. These are not my lord, covered by any statutes. So, my lord, when government feels that, my lord, by a notification, my lord. No laws, my lord. We have a notification, my lord, and by that notification only we, my lord, do it. So, my lord, basically now its term is over. So, when government feels that, my lord, yes, we need such, government will constitute. My lord, we have seen, my lord, for 3 years there was no such board, subdivision board. When government felt that yes, now there are some developmental scheme has to be implemented. So these are basically for those only, my lord. So, my lord, whether court, my lord, 226 court will give a mandamus to government that you take a policy decision, my lord. This is premature. How to constitute, my lord? These are what, my lord? His last litigation also got dismissed.
But earlier committee which has been, they have stated the term is over, but that committee is functioning well. The term, though the term is over, the government has not seized them. They are functioning. And they are the members not belonging to the scheduled tribes as per the my lord, provision of the constitution.
My lord, this issue has been taken care by division bench. I have a judgment. On the last occasion also, when the matter got dismissed, I argued that also, my lord. My friend is aware of, my lord. My lord, I'm just, my lord. One is of division bench, another is full bench of our High Court. 2009 and 2010. This two. Whether can we do it, my lord, and how it is to be done, these are the issues, my lord, already taken care of. In the division bench judgment, my lord, in page number 28, I have marked with one yellow flag, my lord, fluorescent flag, my lord. It starts with, my lord, the second paragraph. We accept the above submission made by learned Advocate General such and D.K. Mishra. The issue before the Constitution Bench of the Supreme Court in both the referred cases is precisely the same as one identified by the learned counsel. The ratio decidendi of the above two decisions, in a humble view, is that a candidate belonging to scheduled caste in the state of his origin cannot compel the state to which he migrates to extend the benefit of reservation, either under Article 15.4 or 16.4, in such a state does not wish to extend the benefit. Mr. Mishra, learned counsel, senior counsel, on the other hand, submitted that the question whether the state is prohibited from extending such a benefit of reservation in favor of a candidate belonging to scheduled caste or scheduled tribe in relaxation to the state of which candidate origin, but not in relation to the state where such benefit is sought.
Yes.
My lord, I'm reading down, my lord. This is two issues, my lord, whether migration, but here, my lord, this is not migration. That is what the court says. This, what he is alleging, my lord, these are the same people from Dima Hasao. They are from the hills and they have moved to, my lord, the plains area, that is Kachar district. So whether that could be extended, the division.
Subdivision board, my lord.
Yes, my lord. My lord, now this is a policy decision, my lord. Government will take its own call when it is needed, my lord.
My lord, in the judgment itself, it is quoted, my lord. In notification, page number 60, my lord. 63. Serial number 6, sub Roman 5. Three years. Come.
My lord, page 62, my lord, term of the office.
Roman 5, 4.
Roman 4, my lord. The chairman, vice chairman, and member of the subdivisional such boards shall hold their position in the board at the pleasure of the state government. Not
Shall not
exceed,
exceed 3
my lord,
years.
shall not exceed 3 years. And my lord, that is the pleasure of the government. So, my lord, when the government feels, government will appoint. Yes. So, my lord, that is exactly, my lord. So, this honorable court on the last occasion, my lord, dismiss the writ petition only on the ground that that period is over.
But the old board is functioning.
But how can, my lord, it can function, my lord?
Page 72, my lord. Dismissed not on merit, my lord, infractious.
And if the board is functioning, then, my lord, he has to make every board member a party. Because, my lord, if the board is so functional, as is, my lord, his.
Yes, term is over. That is the reason for this. Now the new committee, my lord, has not been constituted. Not for similar relief. We are praying for, my lord, to constitute a fresh committee, fresh board. Earlier, it was there, my lord, to remove the those non-scheduled members.
Exactly, my lord.
Liberty is there. Liberty is there, my lord, to but it is clarified that the question raised in this petition may be adjudicated and answered in an appropriate litigation. The question was, my lord, those members, 6 members were out of the non-scheduled, they are not as per scheduled of the constitution. They were incorporated. As per. Position is same, but my lord, notice maybe.
As of today, there is no cause of action, my lord.
Yes. Yes, Lordship. Definitely.
No, that is my lord. His legal right, my lord.
The President Secretary, my lord. Annexure 5, page 62, my lord.
Page 62.
It starts from page 60. The earlier constitution, my lord, Annexure 6A, page 65. 6A and 6B.
এই দুটা নেই মানুষ তিনটা নেই
মানুষ তিনটা তিনটা ছয়টা তিনটা সেটা দুটো পোর্টাল হবে, একটা লক্ষ লক্ষ্মীপুর, একটা হলো শিলচর। My lord, your lordship will find page number 65 in continuation of the earlier notification dated 23/2/2021.
So it is from 21.
It is from 21, and these three members additionally added. And another notification, my lord, at page number 66, dated 3/1/2022. As per constitution, they do not belong to scheduled tribe in respect of Kachar district.
ঠিক আছে।
6/11/2021. ST, ST. And Lakipur. Yes, Lakipur and Silchar. Both have expanded. Director, my lord.
No, my lord, it is to be the, now, my lord, additional chief secretary, tribal affairs playing Assam. Single secretary.
The
any such order that is passed by the state authority, copies thereof will be served on the writ petitioner. With the above observation, writ petition stands closed, disposed of.
Obliged.
Item 11. For some time. Item 12.
May I please, lordships?
Yes.
Case, my lord. My lord, last day representation, my lord, earlier representation was made, my lord. Last representation, my lord, 16/7/2022, my lord, page 22, my lord.
We'll issue notice here, right?
My lord.
Council for parties issue notice. Mr.
Yes, Ahmed.
Anna, here respondent.
W. Ahmed, madam, a petition for a petition.
W. Ahmed represents, appears and represents all the respondents. Respondent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mr. F.S. Roy for respondent 6. Since the respondents are represented, notices of waived, extra copies will be furnished
Rest.
within a period of 1 week from today. Respondents are at liberty to complete their instructions and file necessary affidavit.
Extra
Inspector,
Extra copy. I'll serve, my lord.
copy extra in
extra
I'll
copies we serve
I will,
within two working days.
my lord.
GSM may be reflected in corpus.
Names of all council, including government of Assam, be reflected in the councils.
Obliged, my lord. Much obliged.
13.
3 weeks. 3 weeks. 3 weeks.
My please, lordship, pass over the matter for the time being.
No, you argue.
Lordship, matter pertains to non-disbursement of the free subsidy matter, lordship.
Who is for the respondent here?
In the instructions, lordship. Notice. may be-
Department of
Industries.
Industries, who's for Industries Department?
Lordship, now government appears, lordship.
Government appears.
Lordship.
Right, we'll issue notice here.
Lordship.
Heard. Your name?
MSR Jukli.
MSR so-and-so, Learned Council appears for the writ petitioner, Mr. S.S. Roy,
2, 3 and 4.
government advocate, appears on behalf of respondents
2, 3 and
2,
4.
3 and 4. The grievance of the petitioner is non-release of subsidy claims, freight subsidy claims under the Freight Subsidy Scheme 2013 for the period 1/10/2017 to 31/12/2017. Stop. Let notice issue. Return in 4 weeks. Since the respondents are represented, notices are waived, extra copies will be furnished within a period of 1 week from today. Dr. A to D, senior, and MS R so appears for the petition in Board. You are appearing?
1 for 1. Union
B.
Abhi.
Sharma for respondent number 1.
Lordship, matter may be released along with the others matter.
When are the other matter fixed?
6 February 20.
6th February. Let this matter be listed along with WPC
7476.
7476
76.
of
2025.
2025 and other connected matters on 6th of February. Yes?
Much.
Much.
48.
May I please, lordship? Well, in 2023, my lord, the representation for my lord, demarcation was submitted, my lord. Till date, my lord, no action was taken, lordship, to dispose of that.
Yes, revenue,
Obtain instruction, lordship.
obtain instructions here.
Lordship.
Who will obtain instructions?
Lordship.
Circle officer.
Circle officer.
Claim of the petitioner is that the application filed before the competent authority, namely respondent 3, seeking demarcation of their land has not been redressed. Being aggrieved, the present writ petition has been filed. Mr. S.S. Roy, learned government advocate, will obtain instructions as to the status of the claims of the writ petitioner and whether any steps have been taken by the respondent number 3 to for demarcation of the land as prayed for by the counsel for the petitioner.
As private respondents are also there, Lordship. I
No,
think
private
they are-
respondent is not.
They are private respondents.
No,
No private respondent.
no private respondent.
MSPR Monroe for respondent number 1. Mr. Roy for respondent 2 and 3.
No, Dilip file hai.
Dilip case was suspended. Oh. Nine. Obliged Lordship. It was last year. Obliged Lordship.
One extra copy may be given.
Yes, yes, okay. No?
Extra copy may be given.
4 weeks.
Met please, your lordship.
Yes.
Matter relates to cancellation of GST registration, my lord. This is otherwise covered by lordship's order, my lord.
Who's for the respondent?
State GST is there, my lord.
Huh?
State GST, my lord.
State GST. Who's for state GST?
Big over.
State GST.
Lordship, may take after some time, I will call them, lordship permits.
You wait for some time.
My lord. Met please, your lordship. Then, my lord, I am challenging the recovery proceeding, my lord. What happened, my lord? The petitioner received the recovery notice. The lordship will find at page 14, my lord. After receiving this notice, my lord, petitioner came to know that some order were passed, my lord. However, petitioner never received any order or so cause notice, my lord. Therefore, petitioner made a representation at page, my lord, 15 also, my lord. They have not been considered, my lord. Petitioner's case is that, my lord, neither any so cause notice was served, nor any order in original was served on the petitioner, my lord.
You must have avoided it.
No, my lord. Even
How
lordship
can
will
an
see the
order
recovery.
be passed like this by a state authority without issue and service of?
No, lordship will see, my lord, this, or even the, in the recovery notice, my order does not contain date also, my lord. In the first line itself, my lord.
The order in original is there.
That is, my lord, that never served, there is no date also, lordship. You'll see, my lord, refer to your order in original number, so and so dated, there is no.
Hey, Mr. KL, get some instructions here.
Lordship, May fixed next week, I'll obtain instruction. I'll produce the record.
Next week, I'm not coming.
No, Lordship, after Bihu.
After we go.
No.
19th, lordship.
21st,
21st.
My lord.
21st.
No.
Matter be listed again on 21st of January, by which date Mr. Kial will obtain instructions as to the proceedings which were undertaken leading to the order in original stated to have been passed by the department, and as a consequence thereof, the recovery notice dated 1/12/2025 was issued. Let this matter be listed on 21st, although notices are not issued, extra copies be furnished within 2 working days. List accordingly.
But till then, no course of action will be taken, my lord. If lordship permits.
What coercive action will you take? Any coercive action?
Since recovery notice has been issued, my lord.
Nothing has been, no steps has been taken by.
All right, till the next date fixed, no coercive action be taken on the said recovery notice.
Much obliged, lordship.
17.
It is led to cancellation of GST registration, my lord. It is otherwise covered by lordship's order. I have placed the order, my lord.
Why don't you enclose it?
I'm sorry, my lord. Left out, my lord. I have given the copy, my lord.
Lordship, the registration was cancelled in the month of April 2024.
He is come now.
They have come now.
Go for fresh registration.
No, my lord. Some pending bills where they, this registration will be helpful. Otherwise, my lord, I will pay all my taxes and dues as lordship has passed order allowing to pay all taxes and dues, my lord. And if registration revoked, my department will not be
It doesn't
penalized.
make sense that it's such a period. What were you doing? You must have wound up your business or shifted to some other business.
No, my lord.
Some other entity.
I have no intention to avoid. That's why I have come before this court, my lord. And lordship will see the order at page 16, my lord. Nothing is
You
there,
are
no.
only here for the ITC.
No, no, my lord, there is no ITC at all, my lord. There is-
Only for the ITC.
Because I am, no, I am doing for, my lord, there is no ITC because I am executing work on that. The ITC is not required, my lord, because I have to pay the entire tax, my lord. And I cannot avoid tax, my lord, because all amount will get in my bank account only, my lord.
Where is that order?
I've given, my lord, already. In item number, my lord, it was there in item number 15, my lord.
Yes, Mr. KL, what do you say?
Lordship. Similar order is there, but my contention is that they have come,
You examine and recover whatever taxes are there.
no, that is Lordship, that is providing the rule.
Is there anything else?
No.
Nothing.
That,
Only delay.
so, but he'll have to, you, whatever taxes are to be paid,
But
recover.
they are liable to pay all the taxes and file the return also. That is provided in the order also.
Then we pass similar
My
order.
lord.
Third, council for party is disposed of. Let us.
Much obliged.
Yes. এইটো আগৰ মেটাৰটো মাত্ৰ 15 নে কি এটা আছিল নে?
Item 15. Item number 15.
Yes.
Similar, my lord, regarding cancellation, we have our instruction in this matter, my lord.
Again instructions.
My lord,
All Friday.
Friday, my lord.
Get your instructions on
My
Friday.
lord.
Give him extra copies.
My lord, today itself I'll give you.
List on Friday.
Much obliged, lord.
As the counsel for the state respondent seeks liberty to complete his instructions in the matter. List on 9th.
Much obliged.
Supplementary list for motion items 39 and 40. May I please, your lordships? In this case, lordships, directed to take instruction on the item number 40, lordships.
Yes, any instructions here?
Lordship, your lordship, Kala is the authority, lordship.
Who represents?
Additional district commissioner.
Lordship, pray for some more time, lordship, because there are other cases. Here also I am not it.
Give us a specific date when you can get it.
Lordship, after 2 weeks, lordship.
Mr. F.E. Bovia for the petitioner, Mr. S.S. Roy appearing for respondents,
Lordship, 4 and 5.
4 and 5. Renews his prayer for further time. The matter be listed again on 28th of January,
Lordship,
or you want it in February?
February, lordship,
4th of February,
lordship.
4th of February.
Lordships.
Uh,
Interim.
Lordship, in this case, lordship.
What interim?
Item number
Status
39.
quo shall be maintained, therefore, status quo shall be maintained
What
regarding our
status quo?
structure, lordships. Therefore, forcefully to hand over, there's an order of this court, lordship.
Where is that order? I don't see.
This last order, lordship, item 40, lordship.
Lordship, in item 40, there is a in item 39, lordship, there is no such order. No such order.
And
lordship.
39, lordship, is another code listed, that's why.
Whatever
simply
it
left.
may be, it is not there.
Not there, lordship.
And items 40, lordship,
40 you'll get it. Already.
Lordship.
and the matter is similar, lordship.
Maybe,
The
maybe.
notice issued, directed to
Lordship,
hand
let
over.
notice be issued in this case also, lordship.
Then if we issue notice,
Yes,
then we
yes.
will make it returnable later.
Lordship.
You want a notice?
Lordship, in the item number 40, notice was issued, lordship.
Ah.
In item 39, there was no such notice to, for, this is for
No
second time,
notice.
but no instruction was sought for, lordship. Today only I am paying for instruction, lordship. In item 39. At least along with us.
Both the case may be, notice may be issued matter is similar and notice, each of the petitioners notice has been issued, lordship, by the authority. to
No, in
revert
the earlier matter also, 40 also no notice is issued.
No notice issued.
Only for
So
instruction.
you get your instructions
Lordship.
on 4th of February. We'll see.
Lordship.
Lordship, I am
Order
for.
shall be maintained, lordship, regarding structures, lordship, because they are taking forceful eviction, lordship.
Item 40 status quo will continue till 4th
13
of
matter is similar, lordship.
No, no, no.
February.
No, no, that's fine.
Exactly similar, notice to issue all the petitioners.
You come back, if there is an apprehension, you are entitled to come to the court again.
Apprehension, that's, lordship, but you submitted representations also, lordship. They have not taken into consideration.
Next day, you
Next
renew
day.
your prayer, the next day.
Notice issued, lordship, what is
Not issued. Only instruction.
both the cases.
Both the case.
Obliged.
Item 41.
Lordship, I appeal for the respondent one, your lordship. Copy of the petition yet to be served, your lordship. A copy of the petition is yet to be served to me, your lordship.
Copy
Your
not served.
lordship, not served, your lordship. Lordship may dispose of the petition because as per your lordship, the writ petition, they are seeking the education of the compensation paid to the petitioner, your lordship. Your lordship, provision 16(3) of the Indian Telegraph Act.
Indian
Telegraph Act, your lordship.
Telegraph Act. Do you have an extra copy?
Your lordship, may yeah, hold my book.
That's it. All right, we got it.
Yes.
Section
16(3), your lordship.
16(3). Yes.
I am allowed to read, your lordship.
Yes. Garam pani anima.
If any dispute arises concerning the sufficiency of the compensation to be paid, it shall be on application for the purpose by either the disputing parties or district judge within whose jurisdiction the property is suitable, your lordship. Their prayer is against due the payment of due compensation, due and adequate compensation, your lordship.
You have received some compensation.
Yes, sir.
Yes, for Tirat value only, not in terms of the right to fair compensation act. And no acquisition has been done before.
You get your instructions properly.
Yes, your lordship.
Thus,
Yes, sir. We'll do that, lordship. Let a
Let us-
copy of the petition be served upon me, your lordship.
you serve a copy today itself.
Today.
Heard. It's been shown that it can
Get
be-
your number.
Mr. A Das for respondent 1.
One, your lordship.
Mr. S.S. Roy for respondent 2. 3. Then Mr. W. Ahmed for respondent number 4. This petition is filed by the petitioner seeking compensation for the land acquired by the respondents. According to the petitioner, the land was acquired for erection of high tension electric transmission lines over the petitioner's land as a part of a power transmission project. However, adequate compensation has not been granted. Stop. The petitioner has therefore filed the present writ petition. Let notice issue, return to 4 weeks. Since the respondents are represented, notices away. Extra copies be furnished within a period of 1 week from today. Yes.
Much obliged.
May it please your lordship. I am following the recovery proceeding manner initiated by department in gross violation of section 107 of section 7, my lord. Here, what happened, my lord? Appeal was
Yes.
referred, my lord.
Yes.
Section 107, subsection 7, my lord. Says, my lord, once, my lord, pre-deposit is made, my lord, there will be a D mistake. Subsection 6, D provides my payment of 10% pre-deposit, my lord. And subsection 7 provides on payment of pre-deposit, there should be a D mistake, my lord.
You have paid only sum equal to 10%
10%,
tax?
yes, that is required, my lord.
And what about the tax, interest, fine, fee?
In this section, subsection
As
E says
indicated.
only 10% of tax only.
No, no, six comprises of 2 parts, A and B.
My lord, yes.
And it is not, it's not either or, it is N.
Yes, my lord.
6A and 6B.
6A speaks of admitted tax, my lord, and B speaks of, my lord, disputed tax, my lord. The B, my lord, may I read, my lord, B, my lord? As a sum equal to 10% of the remaining amount of tax in dispute arising from the order, subject to maximum of 20 crore rupees in relation to which the appeal has been filed. It speaks of tax only, my lord.
Disputed tax.
Disputed tax, my lord.
Question.
Yes, my lord.
But in respect of admitted?
Admitted, we have to pay the, whatever we admit, we have to pay tax.
So have you done it?
Yes, my lord, we are disputing entire tax, my lord.
Okay.
That your lordship will find it page 55.
Hmm.
And the appeal is pending, my lord, pending appeal, may they freeze the bank account. We have made a representation, my lord, they have not considered it, my lord.
Yes.
Lordship, here from Annexure E, page 55, it appears that the appeal was filed on 9th of December. And the assistant commissioner had no knowledge about the appeal. So maybe Lordship, under the earlier order 9th of September, he has gone for freezing of the account. And the petitioner has submitted a representation only on 24th.
But they freeze on 22nd, my lord. That's why we made it on 24th, my lord.
And it appears that the representation has been received on 29th. Lordship,
25th.
22nd you filed.
22nd recovery is initiated, my lord. And 24th we apprise the authority that appeal is pending, pre-deposit is made, my lord. Even then, they have not gone for revoking this.
and I think, Lordship, this was sent by the speed post, and as per the track record, it was delivered only on 29th.
And my lord, there is
December.
97 is the email. We have also sent for
Lordship,
email.
by
my lord.
this time, the authority must have defreezed it, or Lordship, I have to take instruction.
Take instructions.
Okay.
May take up tomorrow, my lord, because
Friday?
Friday, my lord.
Take up, bring it on Friday. You serve extra copies.
My lord, today itself.
Heard counsel for parties. This petition is filed. Looking for question, challenging the actions of the respondent authority in seeking to, where is the
Page 92, madam.
recovery?
Page 92.
92. Putting to challenge the notice issued to the bank of the petitioner with a direction to secure the amount stated to be payable by the petitioner. Stop. By to the GST authorities. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that pursuant to the order in original, an appeal has been filed on
Just filed on, my lord.
page
912. 912 to 25, my lord.
Is
Page
it-
57, my lord. It starts from page 55. Date is at 57, my lord.
filed an appeal on 9/12/2025, and the petitioner has also made the necessary payments as is required under section 107. 1076. Stop. Notwithstanding that, the authorities have proceeded to recover amount by freezing his bank accounts. Stop. Counsel for the petitioner submits that as per provisions of section 1076. Once the amount required to be paid by the required to be paid as specified under the statute is paid, then no further recovery ought to be made. As is specified under section 1077. So it is therefore submitted that this recovery sought to be made by freezing his bank account is contrary to the provisions of 106 and 1076 and 1077. So, para Mr. B. Chaudhary, Learned Standing Counsel, State Taxes, State GST, submits that he would like to obtain instructions and accordingly, as agreed to, let the matter be listed again on 9th. Although notices are not issued, extra copies be furnished within a course of the day.
Much obliged.
Finding item 4.
Yeah. May it please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, petitioner duly purchased a plot of land that after observing all legal formalities, the land has been mutated in his name. The circle officer, without giving any opportunity to him, has cancelled the mutation and patta lordship. Thereafter, representation being filed before the deputy commissioner, that is at page.
You can file an appeal before the deputy commissioner.
Yes.
That is a representation in the form of, that may be treated as
Then?
Your Lordship, page 92, Lordship.
Hmm.
This
92.
page 92 before the district commissioner.
No, secretary,
Sorry.
Because this is the secretariat.
Secretary, yes.
Lordship, page 87.
57.
So may I pray, Lordship, at this stage, let notice for
What notice? This is an appeal. You should file an appeal against this.
the district commissioner may given direction that this be considered.
Yes, Mr. Goswami, any appeal filed, then get instructions if it has been taken up.
Lordship. Otherwise, private respondents are also there, Lord.
Whatever it may be,
Lordship,
DC will take up this appeal or representation by issuing notice.
Lordship. Lordship. Lordship.
Matter be listed again on 28th of January,
27th, Lordship, or later.
28th, or it goes to February.
Yeah, 28th would be like next was
Uh,
27th, Lordship. 27th.
No, not 27. Then you take a date in February, 4th of
Lordship.
February. On which date the learned State Council will apprise the court as to the status of the representation / appeal stated to have been filed with the petitioner against the orders passed by the circle officer. Circle officer of which place?
Amingaon,
Oh. Amingaon. PC, Amingaon, against the order passed by the circle officer, Amingaon. Stop. Although notices are not issued, extra copies be furnished within the course of the day. List on 4th of February.
I'm obliged.
Timing item 5.
Yes, Mr. Bora.
But I am challenging the orders, my lords, of order dated, my lord, 13 October 2025, my lords. Your lordship will kindly read on page 48, my lord. Page 48. Basically, this is the orders, my lord. I am the partners, one of the partners of Mahavir Reports, and we have completed this project, my lord. And one of the accused, my lord, he has also invested to the tune of 1.1 crores, my lords.
Is there a bar for this court to take up the matter?
No, my lord. I don't think so.
Right.
I don't think so.
I don't know, we have filed an affidavit to their lords.
Yes, I'll just explain, my lord. I'll just explain. Now, the entire, my lord, thing has been lent to the state banks. It's a worth of 5.5 crores. Now everything has been stalled. Now, what is the orders which is under challenge, my lord? Kindly see under what provision of law? Nothing, my lord. Now, once we file, my lord, on 16th of, my lord,
No,
this
what has been stalled?
sealed, my lord, this factory has been sealed, my lord. Now, thing is this, they have filed an application. They say that the investigating officer, day before, after filing of these things, they have filed an application for attachment of these properties. Laid down in 107 of BNSS. Now, what my plea here is this, that I also, my lord, file an application for reconstitution of partnership.
No, I think it is better it goes before any other bench.
My lord.
I think it will be better.
Definitely, definitely. What your lordship is thinking is, my lord, before any other bench, without
If
your
you want, we
lordship.
can request the matter to be taken up
Tomorrow, my lord, will be, if you lordship,
tomorrow.
because I am suffering, my lord. I have to pay installment of rupees 25, my lord, 25 lakhs.
Registry will list this matter before appropriate bench. As this bench is not inclined to take up this matter. Stop. Considering the urgency expressed, attempt should be made to list the matter tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Before appropriate bench.
My lord. Timing item 9.
It's for the petitioner. None appears for the petitioner. Matter stands passed over. MS
S. Yasmin on behalf of M. Sharma.
S. Yasmin appears on behalf of Mr. N. Sharma for the respondent.
1, 2, and 3, Lordship.
1, 2, and 3.
Much obliged.
Timing item 11.
None appears, and the matter was called up for the second time. Mr. S.S. Roy.
2, 3,
appears for
4,
this
5, and
state.
6.
For
2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. MS PR Monto for respondent 1. Matter be listed after 2 weeks. I want to give up. I want to go. Matter is not. None appears when the matter was called up twice.
Timing item 6.
Yes.
May it please your lordships. My apology, my lord, I was not there in the first call.
6, 7 and 8.
Item 6, 7 and 8, my lord. The 6 is for the taxpayer, the assessee company. 7 and 8 are for the individuals, my lord. It's arising from a common adjudication order, my lord. The petition, my lord, challenges the order dated 26/8/25 passed by the appellate authority, my lord.
Yes.
Yes. Now, the first ground of challenge, my lords, is on principally on jurisdiction, whether the revenue can issue a notice under section 74 of the CGST Act, my lords, in a consolidated manner or not, my lords.
Where is the order in appeal?
The order in appeal, my lords, is starting at page. It starts at page 99 onwards, my lords.
No, you're praying for setting aside of what?
Of the appellate order as well as the original, lordships.
99.
99 it starts, my lords.
Yes.
And my grounds of appeal are paraphrased by the appellate authority at page 121. And the findings of the learned appellate authority start at page 124, my lords.
Did you take this ground before the appellate authority?
We have raised it.
Where is that ground?
Lordship may kindly have page 124. That's the very first ground raised by me. Lordship have page 124, my lords. Lordship may kindly see he has said that ground of appeal. He has copied that ground of appeal. And then he gives his findings. Your lordships have that?
Yes.
Lordship may kindly see my ground of appeal. The appellant has submitted that the impugned order is contrary to law as laid down by the Honorable High Court of Karnataka in Vermax and Honorable High Court of Kerala in Lakshmi Accessories, which requires that a separate show cause notice be issued for each financial year under both 73 and 74 of the CGST Act. Thus, the contention of the adjudicating officer that there is no such section or rule under the GST Act that prohibits issuing show cause for multiple financial years under 74 is incorrect and the demand is liable to be dropped.
Now, what is the finding?
Lordships, may I just point out, this is a notice for the financial year 17-18 to 22-23. 5 financial years are involved, my lords. 17-18, 18-19, 19-20, 20-21, 21-22, 22-23. More than 5 financial years. One common notice is issued, my lords. My lords, whether they can do that or no is the first principal question, my lords. My lords, I must point out, my lords, the finding of the appellate authority is he relies on a decision of a learned single judge of the Kerala High Court, which has taken a view that this can be done. There is no bar in issuing a consolidated notice for 5 financial years, my lords. I must point out, my lords. But what has happened since then, a lot of water has flown under the bridge. The single judge was challenged before the division bench in a writ appeal, and that has been reversed. The Kerala High Court division bench has reversed. So there is a division bench of the Kerala High Court holding that this cannot be done. Subsequently, my lords, there is a judgment of the Madras High Court which says this cannot be done. There is a judgment of the Karnataka High Court which says this cannot be done. There is a judgment of a division bench of the Bombay High Court at Goa, my lords, saying that this cannot be done. There is a division bench of the Andhra Pradesh High Court which says this cannot be done. Subsequently, my lords, pursuant...
None have traveled to the apex court.
Lordships, I'm coming to that, my lords. As an officer of this court, I must point out to your lordships, my lords. Pursuant to this, what happened, my lords, this is, I'll be absolutely candid, my lords. This is the center. States have absolutely no problem, my lords, because under the erstwhile sales tax law, the states were used to annual assessments. Center, my lords, were never used to annual assessments. They were used to block assessments. Even in income tax, your lordships are aware, every financial year is an independent assessment. So now GST law is modeled on that, my lords. They need to, now, my lords, customize to that. What happened? The CBIC, my lords. The CBIC saw that these are views being taken across the country by various high courts. The CBIC issued a circular saying that the judgments of the Madras High Court and Karnataka High Court are not correct. But, Lordship, I must point out, there's a decision of the Delhi High Court taking somewhat contrary view. I must point out, Lordship, taking somewhat contrary view. So the CBIC issued a circular saying that, no, these all other high courts are wrong. We should follow Delhi High Court. Lordship, that again came up before consideration before division bench of the Bombay High Court. Bombay High Court said this, what audacity that the circular has to say these judgments are wrong. They should challenge it. They should challenge it, Lordships, rightly so, Lords. Subsequent to that, Manoj, I must point out that this Kerala High Court, which I have relied upon, they have carried to the apex court. The apex court has issued notice, there is no stay. Matter is pending before the apex court, Manoj. In Lakshmi Mobile. As far as my knowledge goes, there is no decision of this court, Manoj. These are
What's one of the judgments? Have you enclosed it here?
Yes, Manoj. I'll just send over a compilation. I've produced all, Manoj. This copy.
You can go in further appeal before the tribunal.
Lordship, no, this is a question of jurisdiction. Tribunal is not even there today, Manoj. Your Lordship have to hear this.
Tribunal has been constituted, is informed 21st of this month. Notification has already been issued.
Notification has been there to, to appoint them, not to
No,
constitute.
Lordship. Already I've obtained instruction, it will start functioning on 21st. Appeals are already being filed online, Lord.
It's a question of jurisdiction, Lord, whether they
There is a judgment of this honorable court also, probably my land management is not aware. This point has only been decided by this honorable court by the single bench. I'll produce, Lordship, let him complete it.
Sure.
Let you complete your argument.
Lordship, I have prepared a compilation consisting all these judgments. I have placed it on the Lordship's record. Manoj. He's just getting a photocopy, Manoj, because this is my copy. Lordship will not be able to read it, Manoj. It's a small copy. I'll just get it, Manoj. Lordship, just give me 5 minutes.
You do one thing.
Lordship.
You get your compilations email to the court master's email.
Lordships.
Like a printout, we'll take up your matters on Friday.
Lordship may have it today, Manoj.
Today, all right.
Lordship may have it today, Manoj.
Today, second half, 2 o'clock.
Lordship, 2 o'clock, Manoj. I'll just get a copy.
And Mr. KL also, you will give us a copy of the judgment.
Lordship,
You'll place it.
Yes, Lord.
Grateful. My apology, Manoj, for the photocopy. My apology.
Lordship, matter is a long pending matter, Lordship, 2017. Lordship, matter pertains to a temple, a Ganesh Mandir, Lordship. Agyathori, Lordship, goes towards Nalbari. After crossing the bridge, Brahmaputra bridge, then we come across in the Hazo line, we come across a temple by the roadside, Ganesh temple. It is that temple, Lordship. So there was a managing committee, Lordship. That managing committee was dissolved because of some complaint from people, not of that locality, from faraway people. And the deputy commissioner and additional deputy commissioner, they constituted a committee, Lordship, saying that they had held a meeting, but no such meeting was held. And in the committee, there were non-existent people, Lordship. In real life, they were not, just some names were put in, Lordship. I could not even serve copy on them. And subsequently, when I filed this case, I had to strike off those names also, Lordship. This honorable court, Lordship, had stayed that order. And in on a subsequent hearing, Lordship, the additional deputy commissioner was also directed to appear before this honorable court in person, Lordship, because he had filed an affidavit on behalf of the SP. Maybe due to some error, Lordship, but court didn't take it lightly, Lordship. Honorable court didn't take it lightly. And the matter remained like that, Lordship. That committee formed by the DC was stayed,
And the managing committees year after year are still, different managing committees are formed by the people of the locality where the temple stands, Lordship, and it's going on. They have not filed any affidavit.
The one affidavit filed, Lordship.
No, that was wrongly filed.
Subsequently, we have filed an additional affidavit also.
Lordship, that was wrongly filed on additional deputy commissioner stated that he is the
Today it is for orders.
Lordship.
Lordship,
Lordship, for the reason that the deputy commissioner was made a party in person, Lordship. Lordship, his name is Lordship
Session.
Lordship. And during his period, Lordship, he was a deputy commissioner. He was served a copy. He was there, Lordship. And as a person, Lordship, he didn't file any ukalatnama or anything, but he had received a copy, Lordship. That is
Anyone appearing on his behalf?
no one is appearing on his
Lordship,
behalf,
already-
but the DC is represented by the government.
Already new committee has formed, as my learned friend is informed, Lordship.
New
This
committee by the
new
people,
committee is
Lordship.
not there, Lordship. There are other people now.
Hmm?
Some new committee has been formed, Lordship. This committee is not functioning now, Lordship.
No. Earlier committee was formed by whom?
Formed by the people, Lordship.
Earlier committee.
Earlier committees were formed by the people. These were interference by the ADC and DC, Lordship.
Hmm.
So the court, honorable court, think it proper to stay them. So that has been, that was stayed and stayed. They didn't come before this honorable to get it
Now
vacated.
a fresh committee is there.
The fresh committee by the people.
Ah.
Each year they form the committees and it's running, Lordship.
So what remains in the petition?
Nothing, Lordship, in fact.
So we close
In
it.
fact, so that if the deputy commissioner again interferes, Lordship,
Then it becomes a new cause of action.
Lordship.
We can't give a blanket stay for some times to come.
Lordship, that is there.
Heard Mr. M. Bhagavati, learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. N. Goswami, learned state counsel.
For 1 to 6 and 9.
1 to 6 at night. Stop. The grievance of the petitioner was that the deputy commissioner and the other state authorities had interfered with the functioning of the managing committee of the Agyathuri Sri Sri Ganesh Pandit, because of which the petitioners had approached this court. Stop. Pursuant to orders passed by the court, the authorities were restrained from interfering with the functioning of the committee. Stop. During the pendency of the writ petition, the term of the earlier committee expired and a fresh committee that is now being constituted. And the same is supervising and managing the affairs of the said temple. Stop. As on date, no further interference is caused by the state authorities. Stop. Considering the above, since the committee earlier constituted has been replaced by a new committee comprising of the local residents, and no interference as on date has been caused by the state authorities, the writ petition, no further cause is seen to be alive in the present writ petition. Accordingly, writ petition stands disposed of as infructuous. Interim orders, if any, stands merged.
That's all right.
Please, Your Lordship. I may be given 1 week time to take fresh steps against respondent 2 and 3, Your Lordship.
Counsel for the petitioner is permitted 2 weeks further time to take fresh steps on respondents 2 and 3. Matter be listed thereafter.
Oblige, Lordship.
Your Lordship, in the year 2024, we had taken Dusty service, but today we have filed the Dusty affidavit, Your Lordship.
Counsel for the petitioner submits that the affidavit of compliance for undertaking the dusty service has been filed today. Stock registry to verify and make verify and make necessary endorsements and in the note sheet, and matter be placed thereafter. After 2 weeks.
Lordship, in terms of my affidavit, the repetition may perhaps be closed. Your Lordship will kindly turn to page 94, annexure C. That is the order of the victim compensation being granted to the petitioners. And page 97 is the fact that both the petitioners have duly received their, 96 and 97 units. They've received
90?
96, annexure D. Lordship, here there were 2 wives involved and both of them have been granted the compensation accordingly.
No, who's for the petitioner now?
Lordships, I do not.
Their claim is for compensation.
Yes, your Lordships.
None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called up, and is R.X. Chaudhary, Learned Standing Counsel, Salsa.
Yes, sir. Respondent number 2.
Respondent 2 submits that the petitioner has been granted compensation.
Yes, sir. To the tune of 3,75,000.
To the compensation of an amount of rupees 3,75,000,
75,000.
and the same has been received. Stock in addition thereto, an amount of rupees 1,25,000 was also paid to.
The second wife, Lord.
What is her name?
Siroja Beva.
Siroja Beva.
Yes, sir.
Who is stated to be the second wife of the deceased. So both the wives have therefore been paid the necessary compensation by the Secretary, DLSA, South Salmar. A copy of the receipts and their signatures are enclosed as Annexure D to the affidavit.
Yes, your Lordship.
Affidavit filed on behalf of Salsa. Under such circumstances, no further cause appears to be alive in the present writ petition. Accordingly, writ petition stands closed. Disposed of. Mr. N. Goswami for
1326.
1326.
Brief Cleveland.
That is 25.
May I please, your Lordship? Lordship, kindly pass over the matter for the timing, Lordship. The engaged counsel is late on another court, Lordship.
No, after vacation.
No, Lordship, the engaged counsel is late on another court, Lordship. Pardon.
Maybe we have no time to call. What is the matter about?
Lordship, I am not involved in this matter, Lordship.
Matter stands passed over for the day on the request made on behalf of the counsel for the petition. 26.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
May I please, your Lordship? Lordship, kindly have a look at the office note dated 5/1/2026. But D has not been received, my lord, but then tracking report says, my lord, the item delivered
Respondent 3.
to respondent number 3 on 22/12/2025, my lord. So therefore, my lord, notice has to be deemed to be served.
Yes.
Lordship, my senior is on legs, Lordship.
Who is your senior? You're representing whom?
Miss Vibria, BTC.
You're representing which respondents? 1, 2, and 3, I think they can represent all the three. As per office note dated 5/1/2025. Service on respondent number 3 is shown.
Central Selection Board is, my lord, in a different entity.
On respondent 3. As per the track consignment report. So, to be listed, therefore, matter therefore be listed for admission on 4th of February. There is some interim order.
No interim order, madam.
No, please, Lordship. Lordship, pass over this matter for the time being, Lordship.
As per office note dated 6/1/2026, service of notice on respondent number 1. As per Lozima court order, service on respondent number 8 is shown to be complete. Let the matter be listed for admission after 3 weeks.
Lordship, as per the last order, the Dusty service, I have filed the affidavit, respondent number 4.
You have taken Dusty.
Yes, and I filed the affidavit as well. It's on record, Lordship.
Copy received.
Lordship,
Copy received.
they have received.
In terms of the earlier order dated 10/12/2025, petitioner of undertaking service of notice by way of Dusty. An affidavit of compliance has also been filed. Stop. The affidavit reflects that the copy has been served and received by Anzuma Begum on 18/12/2025. So therefore, the service on respondent number 4,
4, Lordship,
is complete. Stop. However, none represents respondent number 4. Who is appearing for respondent 1?
Lordship, I am appearing. 1, 2, and 3.
A. Bothakur appears for respondents 1, 2, and 3. No. Anzuma, received by one Anzuma Begum, who has made necessary endorsements showing herself to be the wife of Khalilur Rahman. That way of the matter be listed for admission on the first week, in the first week of February, on a date to be fixed by the registry.
interim order, Lordship, may be complete.
There is an interim order.
Yes, Lordship. The construction work was being conducted that
All
was.
right, then list on 6th of February, interim order passed earlier will continue.
DPO.
In the next date fixed.
Lordship, a direction may be given to file the affidavit so that.
No direction is necessary. It is what filed.
Deeply obliged.
Daily date for admission, I think 27.
My lord, can you see this case is otherwise possible to dispose of? Lordship, page 56, my lord. We have only issued so-called notice against which this, my lord, writ petition was filed. Let them file their, my lord, reply, and we will consider it within a specific time. The case is pending from 2018, my lord.
Lordship, my lord, this show-cause notice was issued by demanding, my lord, rupees 13,53,451. By my lord, calculating my lord, NS rate, my lord, at page number, Lordship, Annexure D, Lordship, page number 38. By giving retrospective effect, my lord, the rent, my lord.
You have not filed your counter.
Then
My lord,
file
the
it.
reply we have not filed, but lordship, otherwise we will file, but lordship is possible, my lord, because they have to reply, my lord, first against this so-called
He is
notice.
challenging the issuance of the notice itself.
My lord, we'll file on it.
Mr. S. Samaria, Learned Counsel appearing for
Respondent 4 and 5, my lord.
respondents 4 and 5. He is permitted 2 weeks further time to file the counter affidavit. Mr. D. Uy
Lordship.
appears for the writ petitioner. List again after 2 weeks on 6th of February.
My lord.
Is there any interim order? Any
Protection-
interim order?
Protection is granted proper.
All right.
Interim order.
6th of February.
Development.
Says 30 and 31.
My lord, in item 30, record were already corrected.
These are the matters, lordship, related to allotment of land, lordship. Allotment of land were approved, lordship. Accordingly, we have paid the revenue, lordship, the premium. And thereafter, lordship, in item 30, after issuance of notice by this court, records were corrected. Only issuance of patta is left.
Awaited, lordship. It was my instruction, it was issued, lordship.
Patta issued.
Lordship, in item 30.
But I have no information.
Please get your
lordship,
instructions.
What was it?
Update your instructions.
Lordship.
And
The same-
31.
31, lordship, I am awaiting
Similarly
instruction.
situated person, the same list, both names were there, lordship.
In 31, I am awaiting.
In item 30, you know, Mr. S.S. Roy, government advocate, submits that the corrections in the land records have been made and the pattas have already been issued to the petition stop. M.S.R. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner, on the other hand, submits that she has no instructions to that effect. Stop. Therefore, counsel for the parties are permitted to complete their instructions and apprise the court on the next date fixed. In item 31, you write,
I'm awaiting.
Mr. S.S. Roy is permitted 2 weeks further time to complete his instructions in this respect. Ms. R. Chaudhary appears for the writ petition. List of these matters again on 16th February.
Obliged, lordship.
32.
Also, we have to take instruction. Why? Because rejected, the grounds of rejection, my lord. I'm yet to receive the instruction, lordship, I feel for some time.
Instructions received.
No, no, okay.
None appears for the petitioner. Mr. B.K. Talukdar, senior counsel, assisted by Mr. Mehdi, appears for respondents. 2 and 3.
20?
List accordingly after 3 weeks.
3 weeks. Ito na ako papawali.
33.
None appears for the petitioner when the matter is called. You are appearing, Mr. Talukdar?
My
B.K. Talukdar.
Respondent number 5.
Senior counsel, assisted by Mr. Mehdi, appears for respondent number?
Only 5.
5. Miss-
I'm for the GAD.
Mr. A. Fukan appears for respondent number one. NMS G. Hazarika for respondents 2, 3, and 4. List again after 3 weeks.
Please, your Lordship, for time being, my senior appear another court, my lord.
No, he's asking for time being, Your Lordship. In the matter, actually, I've received my instructions yesterday. An award of 5 lakhs has been made to both the parents of the petitioner. However, due to paucity of funds, we have not been able to release it, Your Lordship. That's my specific instruction. If Your Lordship would want me to place it on record, I can hand over the documents, or else I can file.
File your affidavit.
I'll file. Then after the review.
R.S. Chaudhary, the counsel to the petitioner, he submits that the compensation has been to both the parents have been sanctioned,
Yes, Your Lordship. Yes.
although the amount will not be released due to paucity of fund.
Lordship.
She submits that she would like to bring these instructions specifically on record by way of filing an affidavit. Mr.
A.K. Mullah. A.K. Mullah.
Huh?
A.K. Mullah.
A.K. Mullah.
Yes.
Appears for the writ bill.
4 weeks, Your Lordship.
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
2 weeks.
Duly obliged.
36.
The respondent review department has supposed to file affidavit.
Well, I'm seeking some further time, my lord. We are yet to receive the instruction. One affidavit has already been filed by the district commissioner, my lord, but some subsequent development has taken place. So we need to bring it on record, my lord. So maybe please to accommodate me for at least 3 weeks, my lord.
Mr. R. Bopujari appearing for
My lord, for the revenue department, my lord.
Revenue Department renews his prayer for further 3 weeks time for filing an affidavit. 2018 matter.
So, I understand, my lord. One affidavit is already there, but that may not be suffice, my lord.
Mr. Dingogo appears for the writ petitioner accordingly. Let this matter be listed again on 16th of February.
There is an interim order.
Interim order passed early will be.
So oblige, my lord.
37.
Lordship, in this case, I've been led by Mr. K. Shoddy just on legs, just for 10 minutes, Lordship. Just for time. Because this matter can be, this matter
In
can
this
be
case, we
resolved
raise the issue of maintenance.
maintainably, and whatever is it, he'll just argue on the thing. There is a bank account which an authority has a clear instruction from an authority, like a court. So that will be placed just, Lordship, for 10
No,
minutes.
what is your grievance here?
Lordship, what has happened is that I am I'm a society. So the society was initially run by a certain group of individuals. These individuals were ousted from the society. Then a civil case was filed on our behalf, seeking an injunction wherein we should that they should not, we should be allowed to run the society. Then the injunction petition was decided in a civil case against us. Then we preferred an appeal. That appeal was also against
So
us.
pleadings are complete.
My
Yes,
lord, the Canara Bank affidavit is yet to be come.
Canara Bank evident bank is very important because we are seeking
He's
a relief
representing
against.
Canara Bank.
No, he is not.
I am representing, my lord, respondent
When
number
are you
5 and
filing
6.
your affidavit?
7.
Yes, Lordship.
When are you filing your affidavit?
Within a week, Lordship.
Lordship, the bank has been instructed to file affidavit for a number of times. Since there was no stringent direction, the bank has been always.
To file your affidavit within 2 weeks and no further time. Failing which we will proceed in the matter.
Lordship, 1 week maybe after vacation, it may be listed, Lordship.
Give them some more time. Mr. R.J. Das for the petitioner. Mr. S. Chamaria appearing for respondent.
7, my lord.
7. MSC Y.
Yes.
S. Yasmin appears for the Canara Bank.
Yes.
See,
Stop.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, Lordship.
The court is of the view that an affidavit on behalf of the Canara Bank is necessary. From the order sheets, it is seen that opportunities were earlier granted to the respondent number
1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3 to file their affidavit, but the same has not yet been filed. Accordingly, the matter be listed again on 3rd of February,
My fifth, my lord, another matter is there, if possible, my lord.
5th of February
But
for admission.
Lordship,
Here that in the event the affidavit is permitted to be filed by the bank, is not filed, then the court may proceed to hear the matter on the pleadings available on record.
Deeply obliged.
38.
May please, Lordship. So this writ petition has been filed challenging the inaction of on the part of the respondent authorities regarding illegal search and seizure, firstly of the petitioner's vehicle, his house, and thereafter his coal industry, which is situated outside the jurisdiction of of Assam. It's in Arunachal Pradesh. They have gone outside the jurisdiction and seized the vehicles of the petitioner. Lordship, firstly, Lordship may kindly look into Annexure 3. Lordship, at page, it starts from page 37. Lordship, petitioner's Bolero vehicle was traveling from Margherita, Lidu to petitioner's cook coal industry situated at Finvoro village at Arunachal Pradesh. Lordship, it was carrying some mobile and diesel for the repairing work of his vehicles, which is JCB and dumper, which was present in his cook coal industry. It was traveling from Lidu to.
Pleadings are exchanged.
Lordship,
Finished.
pleadings are exchanged
Exchanged.
for hearing to the final hearing.
Well, the issue here is the dispute. Well, they say that the
No,
area,
we'll keep it for admission hearing
my lords,
some other day.
my lords.
Lordship, there is an urgency in this case, and Lordship, we have gone for the appeal also in this case, and there was a direction to dispose of this matter within, preferably within a period of 4 weeks, Lordship. 4 weeks have already been passed because the petitioner is suffering. His all vehicles have been seized, and even they have been confiscated also. So, Lordship, this has been done with outside the jurisdiction of this of the Assam, Lordship.
No, my lord, that is
So,
their
but,
claim.
it's not that,
Yes,
the,
Manoj.
the earlier dates reflect that there are certain adjournments being.
Lordship, not on the part of the petitioner any time, Lordship.
No,
Anything.
We don't know. It's reflected here, some affidavit filed, not filed.
Yes, my lord.
Lordship, we have filed, Lordship. I am pleading our exchange, Lordship. If Lordship may kindly hear today, then
We list on 20 January.
20.
20.
20.
Line.
All right.
20.
We'll have it on 20 January because
Yes,
we'll require some hearing.
yes, my lord.
Mr. B.D. Paul, assisted by Mr.
H. Agarwal.
H. Agarwal for the petitioner, Mr. D. Gogoi for forest.
Forest, my lord.
Mr.
A. Chandran also.
Chandran appears for
7,
senior
8, and
government
9.
advocate.
7, 8, and 9.
7, 8, and 9.
All right.
Lordship, 47, so within 2 weeks, or 2 days, Lordship, we going to file the affidavit, Lordship. We have received that signing copy, Lord.
File it, we'll keep it on 19th
19th.
or 21st. Which one do you want?
My lord, 20th, 21st I will not be there, but 20th.
Then, Lordship, after 21 or 21st.
Then 20th, English question, this tarik karo.
Let it be on 19th then.
19th, 19th.
List on 19th on the request made by, as a prayer is made by the respondent council that the affidavit on behalf of respondent number,
Respond number, Lordship, 3, Lord.
Revenue Department.
No, Lordship, is the state government. The respond number, the deputy commissioner, Lordship.
Okay.
Four.
Yes,
Four.
to submitted
See,
the affidavit on behalf of the deputy commissioner.
Lordship.
District Magistrate Borpeta.
Lordship.
Will be filed within the course of this week. List accordingly.
48.
47 on. We have
None appears for the petitioner on call, Mr. J. Indik. Appears on behalf of
respond 2 and 3, Lordship.
respondent 2 and 3. Ms. G. Hazarika for respondent number 1. list accordingly. Hey, if you want it. Huh? বাকি হলো again বাকি কত কি ম্যাটার আছে আৰু আৰু এইটোৱে আছে অলৰাইট এইটো
Item 6.
Negligible. Yeah, added out compilation.
Yes, please.
Lordships have this compilation box.
Ah,
Look, serial number 1 is a recent order passed by the Honorable Allahabad High Court. The
Hmm.
Allahabad High Court is examining the same issue, Lords. In fact, all the high courts are examining this issue. At page 1 is it's an order passed by the division bench of the Allahabad High Court, where all these contentions have been taken into consideration.
so the common question is whether consolidated show cause notices can be issued.
Can be issued or not.
Hmm.
The limited submission is this, my lords, that the act, the scheme of the act requires financial year-wise assessments because there can be differences in terms of the values, in terms of issues, in terms of applicability of 73 versus 74. That all has been examined, my lords. This is a serial number 1. If your lordship sees serial number 2 at page 5, my lords, your lordships have page 5.
Yes.
This is a division bench of the Bombay High Court, my lords, which considered the issue in detail, my lords. Lordships have page 5 onwards, my lords.
Yes.
Their lordships may kindly have page 7, para 7 onwards, my lords. Lordships have para 7, my lords. Lordships. Mr. So-and-so learned counsel representing the petitioner by inviting the attention to the GST law and in specific GST Act would urge the concept of assessment under 211 means determination of the tax liability and includes self-assessment, reassessment, provisional assessment, summary assessment, best judgment. Return under 297 is assigned a definite connotation as return prescribed or otherwise required to be furnished under this act or the rules made thereunder. And according to him, the definition has to be read with the definition of the term tax period to mean the period for which the return is to be furnished. Then, lordships, the finding of the court, my lords, starts at para 11 onwards. At running page 8, your lordships have that.
Yes.
Lordship, the court examines the entire scheme of the act and refers to the definition of assessment, return, tax period. At para 12, they refer to the provisions relating to registration. They refer to the provisions relating to filing of returns. They refer to the provisions relating to maintenance of accounts and records. They refer to the provisions of relating to assessment at para 13. Then lordships may kindly have para 15. They refer to section 49. Para 16. They refer to chapter 12, which provides for section 59.
Where is that judgment of this court that
Not-
you was referring to?
Lordship, lay this before that. In 2 orders,
Yes.
I place before your lordships, my lords. This court has entertained the petitions on this very issue, my lords.
Right.
Lordship.
Lordship, paragraph 14, 11, Lordship. This is Rasidul Haq and another.
This was rejected on the ground of alternative remedy.
On both grounds. Paragraph 11, basically it was held that the alternative remedy is available, so they should file appeal. In this case also, Lordship, appellate tribunal.
So you said both grounds?
Yes, paragraph 11, Lordship.
Para 11.
Yes.
All right, so
And
we
Lordship,
should
it
notice
says-
this will require some amount of
Lordship,
education.
another judgment on of Honorable Delhi High Court that was went to the Supreme Court. But Supreme Court dismissed the SLP. Lordship have given the judgment, Lordship. That is in
Delhi High Court.
Delhi High Court, it was went to Supreme Court, Lordship.
That is, my lords, in the compilation at page 19. I have also placed it.
Mathu Polymers.
Page 19. of the
However, we
compilation.
find no ground
Page 19.
and
I
reason
see.
to interfere with the impugned judgment and order passed by the High Court. Lordship, there are two judgments, one is Ambika.
This judgment has rejected the contention.
Yes, Lord.
Delhi High Court.
Yes. No, Delhi High Court is upheld by Supreme Court.
Delhi High Court has dismissed the petition.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, there are two judgments, one is Ambika. That also went Supreme Court after length argument.
Right, for today, we'll issue notice. You will examine the matter, we'll have to examine the
Lordship,
matter.
regarding second question, the tribunal has already been considered, it will start from function 21. Lordship, already online application has been
Lordship,
started
Lordship,
filing that.
kindly see the order passed by your lordships in the last month, my lord. My learned friend only appeared. Kindly have this order. In Tata Projects and Gupta Hardware. It's there in the compilation, lordship, last page. Serial number 31 and 32. Kindly see my learned friend appeared.
In that case, Lordship,
The
our High Court
chances-
judgment was not placed. It was come to our notice recently, Lordship.
And no, my lords, there also your lordship said that we are keeping the question of maintainability also open.
That's right. We'll keep it open.
Yes.
We are not,
If an alternative remedy is available with that, Lordship.
we'll have to hear it. We are keeping it open. We'll hear it.
And Lordship, then Lordship, SLP, that may be also.
We'll examine everything.
That also.
You just ask your colleague to give us a list of the matters that you're relying on.
Lordship, only two judgments until.
Lordship, that also may just point out. Kindly see Pramur Homes, the Karnataka High Court, that has considered Ambika, Mathur, dismissal of the SLP, everything has been considered. Yet held, show cause cannot be done. Lordship, this requires consideration by your lordships. That's my submission. And your lordships may kindly have the order passed in Gupta.
Are you likely to file any counter affidavit? here?
Definitely will file, Lordship, because we have received instruction from the board also in this.
You're going to file?
Yes, Lord.
Then
But Lordship, in my humble submission, this is not case of.
we'll keep it
stay.
open. Heard Mr.
Raichandan.
Raichandani, Learned Counsel, appearing for the writ petition. Also heard Mr. SCKL, Standing Counsel for the.
CGST.
Senior Standing Counsel for
CGST.
CGST.
Respondent number 1, 3, 4, 5 and 6.
Representing respondents number 1, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Mr. B. Chaudhary for the state. The petitioner before this court. As I say, the order in appeal in original dated 26/8/2025, which had confirmed the order in original dated 4/2/2025. So, the primary grievance of the writ petitioner is for the assessment years for the financial year 2017-18 to 2022-23. The consolidated show cause notice dated 3/8/2024, covering all the 6 financial years was issued. Stop. Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that this was one of the grounds charged before the departmental authorities. One of the grounds specifically urged before the department authorities that this action of the respondents in issuing a consolidated show cause notice is violative of sections
74.
74 of the CGST Act 2017. Stop. The learned counsel for the petitioner has referred to several judgments rendered by the Allahabad High Court, Bombay High Court, Madras High Court, and Karnataka High Court, where these issues have been elaborately dealt with, and then it was held that individual show cause notice for each financial year was required to be issued, and consolidated show cause notices issued are violative of the provisions of the Act. The learned counsel for the petitioner therefore submits that the present proceedings being raising similar issues, the orders passed by the Allahabad High Court, Bombay High Court, Madras High Court, Karnataka High Court be say the similar orders as have been passed by these high courts is called for in the present proceedings. Per contra, Mr. S.C.K.L., learned standing counsel, strongly opposes the contentions of the counsel for the petitioner. He submits that there is a view which is the view taken by Delhi High Court in these matters have been confirmed in the SLP filed by the SSC before the Apex Court. Therefore, it is only the view of the Delhi High Court which will have a binding effect, and not the other judgments rendered by the other high courts which are referred to by the counsel for the petitioner. He further submits that in WPC 4694 of 2024, a coordinate bench of this court, by order dated 18/9/2024, dismissed a similar writ petition on the ground of alternative remedy, as also on the ground that issuance of consolidated show cause notices under Section 74 does not violate the provisions of the Act. Stop. Mr. KL therefore submits that this writ petition should be dismissed at the threshold on the ground of existence of alternative remedy, and the further remedy available to the petitioner is
Under
filing an appropriate appeal before the appellate tribunal, which was constituted on
Lordship already constituted, it will start functioning from 21st.
which is
Already filing has been
constituted
started.
and will start functioning from 21st of January
Lordship.
2026. Stop. But having heard counsel for parties, considering the issues raised, this court is of the view that at this stage notice is required to be issued, calling upon the respondents to file the counter affidavits, if any, if so advised, and the matter be listed for admission, keeping the question of maintainability open to be urged. List again on 6th of February.
Lots.
Yes.
Actually, in the meantime, the Lordship had put in both these orders. No,
Till the next date fixed, no coercive action
No.
In pursuance to the orders passed by the respondent authorities.